Hey, Justin Christensen here.
Kareem here, investor from California.
My name is Pete.
8 properties deep with them.
Real estate investing to me was just only kind of a dream.
I started small and am kind of moving up slowly but cautiously.
Some of the better performer properties in my portfolio.
They made the process super simple, and they basically handled everything from start to finish and continue to do so.
I had some retirement money saved, including money in IRAs, and they've helped me guide that into the best possible return on my investment.
They're invested in that community, so they want to do right by the investors, they want to do right by the tenants, and everything on that.
Couldn't have done it without their help and their guidance and their knowledge.
Michelle is at the helm of property management. She takes care of things like no other property management company.
I highly recommend these guys. Having been in a couple of different markets.
You're looking at a true turnkey way to invest in real estate.
The good investments they are just beats everything that I have elsewhere.
And I couldn't be more happy, and I can't wait to close on the next one.
I could not have imagined getting the return that I'm getting. Highly recommended. You won't be disappointed. They're great.